Hello, YouTube. Well, a couple of weeks ago, the folks at YINTA reached out to me and asked me if I'd want to try out their category 1 and 2 quick hitch, 3-point quick hitch. And now these are the same folks that gave me the clamp-on pallet forks last year to try out. And I have to say I used them more than I thought I would. They work good. I have discovered the joy of piling stuff on pallets and moving it around with a skid steer. I'm probably the last one on earth to make that discovery, but better late than never to the party, right? Anyway, I said, sure, that sounds great. I would love a quick hitch to put on my Ford 2000 tractor when I get it together to be able to quickly change implements on it. So at any rate, the package arrived, a couple of days ago. So I think this morning we'll open it up and take a look. By the way, I will put a link to this product in the video description, so you can check it out too online. Well, it seems to have survived the shipping just fine. And I do like the fact that there are only 3 pieces of styrofoam in there instead of an entire garbage can full of packing peanuts. But let's get it out of the box here and take a good look at it. I've got it out, and the welds all look good. The locking mechanism here on both sides works like it should. It comes with category 1 pins and with category 2 adapters. And I like the fact that it comes with a 2-inch receiver on it as well. Now this is turned around here for shipping purposes, so I need to get that turned around. And then, as I said before, my plan is to use this primarily on my Ford 2000 tractor, but it's still in hundreds of pieces down in my barn. So I'm going to bring my Alice Chalmers 170 around here, hook onto it, and then hook it on to my 3-point blade and give it a try. Once this is out of the box, it's really not super heavy. It's relatively easy to move around by yourself. So I will pull the pins out, put the category 2 adapter in here. There we go. There's the right side. Now repeat the procedure on the left side. There we go. That was simple enough. Now I need to hook up a top link. I just grabbed a category 1 top link and a couple of 3/4 inch draw pins. That'll do for today. So now let's open up the locks on each side. And I'll start up the tractor and try and grab my 3-point blade. Okay, YINTATECH 3-point quick hitch seems to do what it's supposed to. So again, I will leave a link to the product in the description below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.